Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Me Unit Comics here. I'm M.
I'm E.
And we have an unboxing for you guys. Brand new to the channel from eBay. From the seller is Curtis086. So this was a $100 mystery box. It was a guaranteed CGC slab and then some raw books. And here they are. So interestingly enough, he kind of put a, kind of see that, the price guide already. So the total value $120. The CGC graded book $65 and the raw book's $55. So we'll see if it hits that price point or not. But interesting. Like we haven't seen that before, right? So it's like a
kind of takes the mystery away, though.
Yeah, a little bit. Yeah, it's, I mean, I'm guessing they probably did it so that they can say that it was calculated that you guys got above.
It's like some quality assurance.
Yeah, what you pay type of thing. But we'll double check that. You never know. That's the other thing. His pricing could be very accurate. Could be off. It could be undervalued.
It's a lot of books, though.
Yeah, it's supposed to be 15 books. So.
Wow.
We'll just send it here. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
One. Oh, okay. Siege, number 2 of 4.
Very fitted man.
Yes, that is Sentry, actually. So I actually have a copy of this because I was actually getting a pull list at the time that this was coming. This was like the last series that I got. So very interesting. Not too bad.
1, 2, 3. Another one. Do you have that one?
1 of 4. I think I do, but I mean, it's always good to have. That's not so. Number 1 and number 2. Maybe are we gonna get the full series? That would be pretty cool. Oh no, we got Axis Revolutions number 2. I think that I read that right.
That looks right.
Looks right. There we go. Part of the Axis storyline. Very cool. I think I have the trade of that, so interesting. What else do we got here?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, what is that? Avengers World?
Yeah.
Avengers World, number 2. Is that Black Widow on the cover, like in a spacesuit or something, I think? Interesting.
Do you have any of these?
I don't have any of these. No, Avengers World. That's brand new. All right, what else do we have? Ooh. XMen Unlimited, number 3, Among Us, a Sabretooth. Here we go. Very interesting. That interesting artwork. It's almost like a, I don't know, psychedelic, but like a, I don't even know how to describe it.
It looks like pencil crayons.
Yeah, like, and like,
I like it.
It's like off a little bit. You know what I mean? Like it's not perfect, which is okay. That's not a bad thing. Yeah, abstract. Maybe that's what I'm looking for.
Psychedelic abstract.
Psychedelic abstract. I think you're up.
1, 2, 3.
Ooh, another one. Yeah, an XMen Unlimited number. Is that number 5?
5.
2. Sorry, we're reading it backwards in the camera, guys. So number 2. Very cool. All right, here we go. Couple little kind of mini runs there of books. Next up we have Uncanny XMen number 498. Divided We Stand. That's a pretty cool cover of Wolverine there, though.
I do like that.
Very interesting.
That's cool.
So we got some modern stuff so far, guys. Interesting. Your turn.
This one feels old.
Oh, okay, nice. We got some Uncanny XMen. What number is that? 220. A newsstand. Looks like that's Forge on the front there. He's in rough shape. He's seen better days, looks like. Very cool. I can't remember if I have this or not, or if I have it in a newsstand. I can't remember, but that's always a good get. We're passively collecting that run, so very, very cool. Next up. Oh, another one. Another XMen. Number 206.
I like that cover.
Oh, yeah. That's Blob on the front there. He has Rachel Summers and Rogue kind of in hand, but I don't think I have this one. This one stands out as one I do not have. So, okay, pretty darn cool so far. Yeah, absolutely. Now we're getting into the
good stuff.
Yeah, starting with some modern. Now we're mixing it up. Some copper.
3.
Oh, The Thing, number 30. What does it say? To battle the Beyonder. Wow, the Thing's going toe-to-toe with the Beyonder. This is Secret Wars 2 tie-in. Beautiful yellow cover there. Very cool.
1985.
All right. 85, all right. We're still in that copper age. Very cool. I think that's still the copper age, if I remember correctly. You're up this time, right?
Nope.
No? Okay, so. Oh, here we go. Avengers number 278. I don't think I have this one either.
I love the cover.
Yeah.
That magenta.
I mean, that's what you want to be wearing, right?
Yeah.
Very cool stuff.
They're so 80s looking.
Yeah, She-Hulk is in a little bit of trouble there. I don't have this one for my Avengers run either. So very cool. Okay.
Who's that?
She goes by a few different things. She's like Photon, Captain Marvel. Monica Rambeau is her real name.
Oh.
She just appeared in the WandaVision series, so very cool. Your turn.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, nice! Some Fantastic Four. Number 215. Blastar on the cover. Newsstand edition. They might have all been newsstand or closer to newsstand back then, but okay, here we go.
I like that cover. That orangey red.
Oh yeah, in the background.
Yeah.
Like, very cool. All right, guys, this is it's getting better. Like I like the way they kind of. Okay, we have a Mylar here, so Mylar is usually a good thing. What do we got?
Oh my gosh!
Beautiful Web of Spider-Man number 100. I think this is the debut of the Spider Armor. So, very cool, guys. And this thing is in great shape, guys. I see one little tick. That is it. I do have a copy of this, but I don't think my copy is this nice. What do you think of that?
Love it.
That's a love?
It's so shiny.
Yeah, that is pretty darn cool. Web of Spider-Man 100.
Look at it.
It's still shining, right?
Yeah.
We like that.
Cool.
Okay, next up. Your turn?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Oh, nice. An Amazing Spider-Man. Annual number 17. That is a cool cover.
I really
like that cover. 1983. Okay. Nice little ASM. We like that. They had a little bit of a theme going there. Like he had a few like the moderns, but then he had some Copper Age Uncanny, some Avengers, some Fantastic Four. Now we're kind of in Spider-Man. So this last one. Oh, this one even has a price tag on the back for $20. So
I hope it's shiny.
what did we got? Oh!
Do you have that one?
I don't think so. This is another annual. So this is Amazing Spider-Man King Size Annual number 13. Okay. Very cool. I don't know. Is this a Whitman variant, guys? I could be wrong. But I remember something with the slash through that. It's considered a Whitman variant, which makes it more rare, more desirable, possibly. I do not have this, though. 1979, $20 book, it says on there. So, okay. Gotta say, guys, that's a pretty good stack of books. It's always hard to know what to expect when you are opening a new box. And with the pricing on the front, it was, what do you expect, right? It's hard to know. But we're gonna get into the slab here. I'm just gonna dissect this thing, I think. Maybe. I'm so strong. Alright. No judging. Okay, this is the back side. I don't know what this is, but what we're going to do is you are going to show the people what the slab is. What do we got, guys?
I'm going to take it out.
Yeah, take it out of the bag. Sorry, I didn't do that for you.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa! We got...
He looks so cute like that.
We got a Venom number 25, the Greg Horn Art Edition B, 9.6 Virgin variant. Very cool. What does the back say here? So, this is the Greg Horn. Oh, right from his website, Greg Horn's website there. Venom 190. I think that's a legacy, but Iron Man 282 cover homage, the Virgin variant. Okay, I mean, I don't, and a 9.6, very cool. I don't know, let's, okay, I think down there is probably where a couple of the corners are a little off. It's probably what brought it down to that 9.6. But custom label at the top, guys. Very cool. We like those custom labels. Very cool. I mean, what do you think of that? Like, that's
neat. I don't know. I just think he looks kind of cute dressed up like that.
He looks cute.
Yeah.
Oh. Like, would you ask him on a date? Like, would you go up and ask him out for coffee or something like that?
Probably.
Yeah. Seems like he's approachable.
He seems like he's really friendly.
Yeah. Agreed. Beautiful.
Cool.
Okay, guys. There you have it. The Curtis086 Mystery Box. It was kind of like a holiday special thing, so I don't know if he still has a Mystery Box, but I will link the original listing down below. Excuse me, and you guys can check that out. Other than that, our 500 subscriber giveaway is possibly still going on, so if it is, it'll be linked down below. Hop over on there, like, comment, subscribe to that video to be entered into the giveaway, and then once we hit 500 subscribers, we will be doing a video where we will give away 3 pretty cool prizes there. Head over to that video to see what they are. And yeah, check out our Instagram, like, comment, subscribe to this video. We appreciate all the support, guys. And anything else you'd like to add? That's it. So stay safe out there, guys. Be kind to one another, and we will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Bye.